How to fix auto rotate on Android mobile. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I'll guide you to fix auto rotate on Android phone. Without further ado, let's begin. First of all, you need to check the auto rotate settings. Swipe down from the top of your screen to open quick settings and ensure auto rotate is turned on. If not, tap on auto rotate and it will be turned on. The next step is simply you need to restart your phone. A simple restart can fix minor glitches causing auto-rotate issues. For that, hold power button on your device and then simply swipe towards restart. The next step is simply you need to check for its app-specific issues. Some apps don't support auto-rotate. Try opening another app like Gallery or YouTube to see if rotation works. Other thing is simply you need to check the sensors with safe mode and update your phone. By doing so, by following all this step, this will help you to fix your auto rotate issues. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.